Welcome to the Odyssey to Happiness podcast. I am Ismail Mardika. In the first episode, I will talk about love yourself. Here, I bring guest star who are competent in the field of self-improvement. Immediately, I called her my friend Muhammad Farhan Dewangga. Hello Farhan, how are you?
Hello Wisma, I'm fine. Thank you Wisma for inviting me to this podcast. It is an achievement for me to be able to be a guest star of first episode podcast.
Oh yes, my purpose in inviting to you talk about today podcast them is love yourself. But before going deeper into the conversation, I want to ask what activities are being carried out at the time like this.
Okay, the activities that I usually do in times like this are productive activity, so that my body does not sit still. At least that are useful activity. For example, in the morning, because I'm Muslim, I pray Fajr or Subuh, I think, and after that I continue reading books to increase my knowledge. After that, I want to college and continue to help my parent. Now I'm really looking for new activity. One of which is listening to podcasts with the theme of self-improvement in today's youth.
Wow, the activities are really productive. I hope those who listen to this podcast can be inspired by our guest star. Okay, let's go to the point of the podcast. Shall we? What I mentioned earlier was love yourself. In your opinion, what is the definition of love yourself?
Okay, so here it is, Odyssey gang. In my opinion, the definition of love yourself is how we love ourselves.
Loving yourself. Can you give a simple example or not so this again can understand?
Yes, for example, it can be from small things like we stop comparing ourselves to other people.
Okay, Ran. I want to ask, when is the time for us to love yourself?
Good question, Wisma. This is a very interesting question. My answer to this question is we can love ourselves when we can accept the shortcomings we have. The positive is that if we can accept our own shortcomings, we can be happy without thinking about what people say about the ugliness that we have.
Wow, it's turned out that the way we love yourself is actually simple, Ran.
Yes, but actually, it's back to each individual person. How does he respond to life and continues to choose to be calm and at peace with himself?
Wow, that's really cool. Answer from our guest star today. What is your conclusion or statement about love yourself so that the viewer or listener in this house might feel like they not wasting their life and start loving themselves?
My statement about this podcast and this love yourself is you can never meet your potential until you truly learn to love yourself. What I mean here is if you don't believe in the potential that you want to turn into a person with positive air, you won't be able to love yourself completely. I hope that after you listen to this podcast episode, you will be motivated and imagine the joys of being able to live in peace because you can love yourself.
Thank you, Farhan. Is ready to fill in the podcast for first content. Odyssey to Happiness podcast. It's crazy. Your word really inspire listener at home. Even I also feel inspired and made to be more precise. I did invite people along. Anyway, thank you for coming to the studio. Hopefully, it will continue to be successful. Farhan for his career. Thank you, Farhan, and the listener or viewer. Hope you are entertained. Goodbye and peace.
Thank you, Wisma. Okay, that's all for me. I'm Muhammad Farhan Dewangas. I'm signing out. Peace.
Bye.